Okay, so this may not be the brightest idea I've ever had, but I came back away as I was coming down through the canyon here, and I found this waterfall. Let me show you that real quick. Now, not only did I find this waterfall, I see a fire hose connected to a tree. Look at this. And guess where the fire hose goes? It goes all the way down the waterfall. So, as I mentioned, probably not my brightest idea, but I wanted to go ahead and try and take some footage of this anyway. So here we go. I'm clipping onto my backpack and I'm gonna climb down this big ass wall. Woo! Okay. This is awesome. Good thing I've been doing push-ups. Woo! Oh yeah! That hurt. Woo! The rope slipped a little there, that's all. I flung out a little and crashed into the rocks, but I made it down to the first level here. Here's that waterfall. Pretty awesome. Alright, I think we got another little level to go here. I'm gonna feel that in the morning where I crashed on the rocks. Can tell already. Little knuckle scrape, if you can see that. That was awesome though. I enjoyed it thoroughly. This might hurt a little more as the rope is wet. Okay. Shit. And I'm highly starting to think this was intended more for upwards instead of downwards. This is going to be really interesting because this rope is wet, so holding on to that ought to be interesting. Here we go. Shoot. And kind of springy. Here we go. The water's cold. Not sure how to negotiate this. Maybe it might be safer. I'm gonna try this. There's a ladder over on this other side here that I didn't see a minute ago. So let's see that. Oh. Shoot. Let's see how this goes. Now the rope's stuck. There we go. Let's see how this goes. Yeah, this is going on record as definitely not one of my brightest ideas, but it's okay. I can always go back if I have to. And I got the ladder. I'm coming down. I gotta say, this was freaking awesome. Woo! All right, guys. I'm gonna sign off for now, but you guys gotta come do this with me sometime. This was awesome.